since Sennheiser dropped their truly wireless Momentum earbud lineup, I've always had a love-hate relationship from the ones, the twos, and hopefully not the threes. But my love-hate relationship comes because I always loved the sound that these earbuds produce. The sound on the ones, the twos, they were always amazing. And honestly, they were always at the very top of some of the best truly wireless earbuds on the market when it came to sound quality, in my opinion. But the hate part came in is because I didn't like the design. I didn't like how they fit in my ears. I just didn't like the overall comfort level of the Momentum earbuds. And that just turned me off to the earbuds in general. So hopefully that Sennheiser listened to their consumers and they made the necessary changes to these Sennheiser truly wireless Momentum 3 earbuds. You know what? Stick around. Let's talk about this for a second.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm sure people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Okay, people, so very quickly going around this box on the front side, as you can see, you do have Momentum True Wireless 3 on the front side. It talks about the signature sound, the adaptive noise cancellation, high quality voice pickup, wireless charging, IPX4. On the back side, again, it talks about the powerful bass and clear treble, the level of ANC, clear voice calls, the charging style, whether it's Qi wireless charging or with USB Type-C, the comfort level, and the battery life. On the side, it says it has AAC, Qualcomm aptX, and Qualcomm aptX adaptive, IPX4, Bluetooth 5.2, Qi wireless charging again, and then it shows that there's an app for this as well. So as soon as you take the lid off, people, you'll be greeted with this pamphlet right here. It says, turn great sound into your sound. Not really gonna talk about that right there. And then here they are, people. You have the Sennheiser case on the top right here. I have these in the graphite color. And you also have your welcome literature on the bottom right here. It talks about charging, pairing, how to get these in your ears properly in the app. Beneath all of this, you have your 3 additional ear tips. So you have 3 ear tips in here, and you also have one installed on the earbuds themselves. So that's 4 in total. And then you also, I believe these are ear fins, ear wings. Let me show you the ear tips really quickly. As you can see right here, these are the different ear tips right here. And then you also have, I want to say these are additional ear fins right here. So as you can see, you do have these go on the outside of the earbud. Then you also have your charging cable, USB Type A to USB Type C, and then a lot more literature underneath all of that. And I do believe that's everything that comes inside the box. Okay, people, so these earbuds right here, they go for around $250. You're going to be paying a pretty penny for these earbuds. These are not on the lower end of the price spectrum when it comes to earbuds. And as always, I'll put all the links in the description down below. These do come in 3 different colors. You have your black, you have your white, and you also have your graphite right here. And honestly, people, the Momentum cases from the 1s, the 2s, and now the 3s probably have the best looking earbud case in my opinion. I mean, it's not the most compact, but it just looks the best. I like this canvas look on the outside, and the 1s and the 2s have the same thing as well. It might not be the most durable and stand up over time with you throwing these around in your bag and whatever. They might get dirty, they might rip up, but fresh out the box, these do look really dope. For battery life, on a single charge, you'll get around 7 hours of playback time, 28 hours of full playback time. So it means that this charging case right here will charge your earbuds back up 3 additional times. Also, to completely charge these back up, it'll take about an hour and a half of charge time, and these do have fast charge in here. So 10 minutes of charge time will get you around an hour of playback time. Okay, so going around this charging case right here, as you can see on the front side, you do have your USB Type-C charging port, and if I do plug this in, your light will come on right there. It shows you that it's charging. I do like that they do have the charging port on the front side. I just think it's more convenient. It might not look more aesthetically pleasing to some people. Normally you will see the charger port on the back side. These are also capable of being wirelessly charged. So if you set these on a wireless charger mat, let's see if I get this set on here perfectly. And then it automatically starts charging right there. This lid door is held open by magnets. Turn it upside down while the earbud case is closed, they will not fall upside down. And also the earbuds as well are held in by magnets, and if you shake them, they will not fall out. As you can see right here, going around these earbuds, I do have the graphite color, and it's a nice two-tone look. As you can see, you got the ear fins that go around the outside. So like I said, you do have 2 additional ear fins on the inside. I think it's 2 or 3. Yep, it's 2 additional ear fins that come with these. So if these aren't the proper fit, you can take these off and just switch them out with whatever you want. You do have your touch surface on the outside. You have 3 beamforming mics on here that assist with your call quality, and I do believe ANC and transparency as well. Underneath the earbud, you do have your proximity sensor, so they'll cut off when you take them out your ear. You put them back in your ear, the music will start. All plastic construction, very lightweight. They look very nice, feel very nice. Sennheiser has done a really good job. I don't know if they were listening to the consumers or what, but they've done a really good job to shrink these down. Momentum 1s to the 2s and now to the 3s. The size comparison is dramatically different. I do like these a lot better. They're more rounded off. They're not as squared off, or they don't have as many sharp angles as the previous ones. These are more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Very streamlined look. They don't stick out as far. If that's something that will bother you, that's not a concern when it comes to these. The touch surfaces aren't that sensitive, and actually they give you a little bit of a surface. If you can grab on the top and on the bottom right here, give you a little bit of surface that you don't have to worry about accidentally touching these if you want to adjust these and put these back in your ears. I'm just really impressed by how Sennheiser just made these even better than their previous ones. That I don't know if they listened to the consumers, that was concerned that people were having, or they just wanted to make these a smaller look because they just look better overall in general. But Sennheiser did the damn thing when it came to designing these earbuds. Okay, people, so these do come with an app, like I said before, and it is the Sennheiser Smart Control app. So if I click right here, I already had these hooked up to the Bluetooth setting in my phone, so I just turned the app on and they automatically hooked back up. But here's the splash screen. It says hello. It tells you how to put these earbuds in your ears, hold to pair, left ear controls, right ear controls, and then earbud customization. Normally I would go in depth inside this app, but for the sake of time, so that this video is not like 25 minutes long, I'm going to briefly cover what I think is important about this app. If you want a full rundown of this app right here, I will do that in a separate video. YouTube card will be right here when that's available. There's only a few things that I really need when it comes to an app with earbuds. And the first thing is an equalizer. So as you can see, you do have an equalizer right here. There's highs, mids, and lows. It doesn't go into any more detail than that. Just to have that is a plus. You also have bass boost and a podcast preset at the bottom side right there, and then also touch controls. And you can turn the touch controls on or off. So if you do have your accidental touches, you don't like having accidental touches, and you just like to control everything from your phone, you can turn that off, and you can go ahead and customize this. So as you can see, you have your left and your right. On the left side, I have it set up 1 tap transparency mode, 2 taps previous track, 3 taps noise cancellation, and then the hold down is the volume down. And as you can see on the right side, 1 tap play and pause, 2 taps next track, 3 taps voice assistant. Hold is volume up for the right one, and then switching screens. When it comes to touch controls for phone calls, as you can see right here, 1 tap will end and answer phone calls on the right or left, 2 taps will reject the phone call. Now going back really quickly, now you can customize these. So if you just click on any of the icons, you can click in there and then you can pick exactly what function you want them to do. So you can do no function, play or pause next track, previous track, voice assistant, volume up, volume down, noise cancellation, transparency mode. So, and that applies for all of the icons right here. I'm happy that you can customize the touch features in here, which is definitely a major plus when it comes to these earbuds and any earbuds that have apps in them. That's one of the main things that I always look for, having to customize an EQ and being able to customize your touch controls. Other than that, everything else is just icing on the cake. That's pretty much it, people. That is a quick rundown of this app right here. Like I said before, I will do a separate video going into complete detail about this app. Okay, people, so very quickly before I get into the sound quality of these earbuds, you are able to listen to these independently, meaning you can have one earbud in the case charging while the other one's in your ears, and it doesn't matter which one, left or right, you can do either one. So essentially doubling your battery life when it comes to these earbuds. Now, for sound quality, people, hands down, these are some of the best sounding earbuds that I've tested out so far this year on this channel. It's up there with the Sonys, and to be completely honest with you, I do think they sound better simply because they just have more of a lower end. The bass on here is a lot better. And you can go ahead and customize and tailor this to exactly how you want. So if you don't want that additional bass, you don't have to have that additional bass. If you want more of a voice enhanced or whatever, you can go ahead into the app and customize the sound exactly how you want. These things sound amazing. Okay, people, so as you're hearing my voice right now, this is exactly how the other person will hear you on the other end of a phone call when it comes to these earbuds. These do have 3 different mics in each earbud, 3 different beam-forming mics to assist with call quality. As you can see, I also have the Epidemic Sound app open right here. I'm going to be playing some background noise, some simulated ambient noise, so that you can see how much sound these let in or don't let in. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the play button right here, and let's test these out. Let me know what you think. So let me get a little bit of back. So as you can see, this is close to 50%. The speaker is literally right here. Onyx Studio 5, I believe, or this is 6. Yeah, this is the Onyx Studio 6. So it's literally right here, setting right off camera. This is a bit of an extreme test. On the last earbuds that I tested out, I think they were the Sony Link Bud S's. They only let in a lot of ambient noise when I was actually talking, and we could actually hear my voice when it was picking up my voice. But when I would stop talking, the ambient noise level wasn't that good. The ambient noise, there wasn't that much ambient noise going in. So I don't know if that's the same case with these, but we're going to go ahead and test these out. So as I'm talking, let's see, I'm turning the volume up. Let's see if ambient noise is still being let in. As you can see right now, this is at 100%. I'm going to let this rock, and I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm going to just let this play and see how much ambient noise is let in without me talking now. Okay, people, so that concludes my test on the call quality on these Momentum 3s. Feel free to let me know what you think down below. Too much ambient noise letting in, not enough ambient noise letting in, which would be weird. I don't know. Just leave a comment down below and let me know how you feel. Now, when it comes to latency, I had no issues whatsoever, whether it's YouTube, Amazon Prime TV, Hulu, Netflix, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, Peacock, any of your main video streaming services, no ambient noise whatsoever. I played a few rounds on Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG. No latency when it came to mobile gaming as well. So if you want to pick these up, game with these, or you just don't want to have any latency when it comes to streaming video, you will not have a problem with these Momentum 3s. Just to see the evolution from the Momentum 1s now all the way to these Momentum 3s. Like I said earlier, the sound quality has always been there. They always sounded great. To see these earbuds decrease in size from Momentum 1s to the Momentum 3s, not only in size, but the more aesthetically pleasing shape. I do honestly believe that Sennheiser is listening to their consumer, or they just genuinely care about making a better product every iteration. Bottom line, people, if you're on the fence about these Momentum 3 earbuds, go ahead and pick these up. I think these earbuds might be around to stay, to be completely honest with you. A lot of earbuds I do test out, I end up giving away, or they just sit on my shelf and I don't touch them again for a very long time. But these earbuds, they might be going into the daily rotation. And that's all I got for you, people. That is my unboxing and first impressions review on these Sennheiser Truly Wireless Momentum 3 earbuds. As always, if you found any value in this video whatsoever, or if this is your first time here to my channel and you like what you've seen, please feel free to smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification on when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.